In this video, I'm going to show how to place the fog light assemblies on this Lexus RX350. These are located on the bottom of your front bumper and we'll access them through the side of it. You don't have to completely remove it. Let's get started. Starting underneath the front of the bumper cover, you'll notice that there are spots for 2 push clips here. Unfortunately, mine are both missing, so there's nothing for me to remove, but for you, remove both of them. Moving towards the side, right near these air vents, you'll notice a push clip right here. They might be different styles, either a pull, a twist. In my case, it looks like it's got a Phillips head cut out, so I'll have to turn it counterclockwise, take the center out, and then pop the outer piece out. Sometimes these get quite stuck from sand and debris, so you might have to pry on them a little bit. There we go, just release that. And then on the very edge, you'll see a 10mm headed screw. Remove that. That'll separate these two. On the edge where the bumper cover meets the fender liner, there are 2 locking pins that we have to remove. To get these out, typically you'd have to turn them 90 degrees and then pull out on them. Other times, they may already be unlocked. It just depends on your situation. With that done, we'll be able to pop the bumper cover off of the fender liner. Just like that. Peel this away because we'll need to access a bolt that's right here. Remove the 10mm screw that's in there. You might need a swivel socket for that. And with that done, you should be able to pop the bumper cover off the side of the fender. There we go. Pulling out on the bumper cover and reaching in, you'll see the fog light connector right here. Press on that tab, unplug it. Now we can get to our screw that holds in the fog light assembly. Phillips head screwdriver, just unscrew that. Then you can grab onto the assembly and just slide it right out. The fog light will have 2 tabs on each side. Only one of them gets that screw. The other 2 actually slide into 2 little holes. So take the fog light for the correct side and slide it in. There we go. That lines up and we can install our screw. This here is a pin and this is where we put our screw in. We'll thread that in. It's going into plastic, so you don't need to make it too tight. There we go, and that's installed. We'll do the same to the other side. And plug in your fog light bulb. Up here in the corner, let's install that 10mm fastener that bolts the bumper cover onto the fender. This one may be a little bit difficult to reach. All right, that got snug. I'll just tuck this back in. Here, we will make sure that the bumper cover is clipped into these and reinstall the 2 push clips. If you're able to, turn them 90 degrees to lock them in. Now from underneath, put in the screw on the corner. And a little bit further in, this push clip. And if you had these 2 push clips, put those back in as well.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.